So guys, in a recent post, Shruti Hassan has very clearly admitted कि उन्होंने plastic surgery करवाई है, and the best part about this admission is the fact कि she says she does not want to hide it and does not regret having said it. Now this is a really bold step for an actress in the Indian film industry क्योंकि हमने पहले भी देखा है कि काफी एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस ने मतलब उनके चेहरे में कोई तो बदलाव दिखा है बट दे नेवर एडमिटेड कि हमने कुछ कॉस्मेटिक चेंजेस किए हैं या बोटॉक्स किया है या हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट किया है. They always admitted or said that this is how we naturally look and this is how we wake up every day, and that is something that has been constantly under question कि मतलब आप ऐसे कैसे दिख सकते हो. And this is the first time that an actress is actually coming out and saying कि हाँ मैंने प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करवाई है and this is how I choose to live my life. And all of this started off after Shruti Hassan had posted a picture of her जहां पर उन्होंने काफी weight loss किया था और काफी ट्रोलिंग का मतलब उन्हें सामना करना पड़ा आफ्टर दिस पिक्चर क्योंकि बहुत सारे ट्रोल्स ने कहा कि वो बहुत पतली लग रही है, बहुत वेट लॉस हुआ है, उसने प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करवाई है, अब कैसे दिख रही है, खराब दिख रही है, ये है वो है. You know how trolls can be, right? So she went out and she put out a statement which read something like this. So, I decided to post this right after my previous post and I'll tell you why. I'm not one driven by other people's opinions of me, but the constant commenting and she's too fat now, she's too thin is so avoidable. These two pictures have been taken 3 days apart. I'm sure there are women out there who will relate to what I'm going to say. Most often, I'm at the mercy of my hormones mentally and physically, and over the years, I work hard to try and have a healthy relationship with it. It isn't easy. The pain isn't easy, the physical changes aren't easy, but what's become easier to me is to share my journey. And that is exactly what Shruti Hassan did in this post. She's sharing her journey about her, transformation, her transition from, trying to sort of be the girl next door into this glamorous actress, जो कि है industry की demand. मतलब as an audience, you have to admit now. Come on, guys. You have to admit that we want to see our actors and our stars and our actresses in the best possible light. हम हमेशा यही चाहते हैं कि हमारी एक्ट्रेसेस बहुत खूबसूरत दिखे, चाहे वो कितनी भी उम्र के हो. They have to look gorgeous. They have to look perfect. And that is the kind of pressure that actresses in the Indian film industry have been facing. आज ही नहीं, लेकिन सदियों से यही चलता आ रहा है from the beginning of time. नाउ हमने वेस्ट में देखा है काफ़ी बार कि आजकल काफ़ी एक्ट्रेसेस या इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या मॉडल्स खुल के बोलते हैं कि हाँ हमने प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करवाई है और वहाँ पर एक ये इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील एनी मोर इन द वेस्ट. लेकिन आज भी हमारे बॉलीवुड में दिस हैज़ been a sort of a taboo where people feel like agar if you have had plastic surgery or if you have undergone the knife or any sort of cosmetic change or even had Botox, it's a complete no-no. And that is something that Shruti Hassan is trying to do over here to break that mindset, to say that it is okay to choose to live your life the way you want. चाहे वो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी हो, चाहे वो वेट पुट ऑन करना हो, चाहे वो वेट लॉस हो, चाहे वो जैसे भी आपकी इच्छा की कपड़े पहनना हो. That is something that Shruti Hassan is trying to say through this post. And we applaud her for this. We applaud her bravery for having come out and said this. I mean, we've all known kitni sari actresses in the past have gone through plastic surgery. We won't name them because they choose to say or they choose to deny the fact that they've undergone the knife. But we'd like to give kudos and we'd like to applaud Shruti Hassan's bravery over here and say fantastic. और ऐसे अगर कोई और actresses आके सामने बोले तो ये एक sort of reality बन जाता है and this becomes an okay norm in society. So more power to people like Shruti Hassan.